Just do it for like 10-20 seconds. Okay, so I'm splitting these seeds into two mostly even bowls. For my savory pumpkin seeds, I'm going to take a little bit of this Campbell's spicy tomato soup. Like so. I'm going to add some butter to our seeds. A little bit of turmeric. That's good for you. And a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning because it's tasty. Good mix. Now that we have our savory mixture of pumpkin seeds ready, now we're going to add some butter to our other dish, pumpkin seeds. We're also going to add a good healthy amount of cinnamon. Good amount of honey. Give that a mix. Alright, now I'm going to take my pumpkin seeds over to the oven, which should have been preheated to 350, but I forgot. And I'm going to spread on half the parchment paper my savory seeds, and the other half is going to get the sweet seeds. Make sure they're nice and thoroughly spread out. Spreading out our sweet pumpkin seeds. Now we're going to wait for the oven to preheat and then pop them in the oven for about 30 minutes. Check back on it in about 30 minutes. Let's see if they're ready. Well, they look nice and toasty to me. Add a little powdered sugar to my sweet pumpkin seeds to kind of keep them from sticking to each other as much, and also to add just a little bit extra sweet. The pumpkin seeds caramelized on me, but they still should taste good. Savory ones seem to be a bit more of a success texture-wise. Which it makes sense. There's no caramel for it to sugar, for it to... No sugar for it to caramelize. Now to try my savory ones. Oh yeah. This is really good. It's got a kick to it, but not too bad. Alright, love, give them a try. Yep, you can do the sweet first. Definitely blow on it. It's still pretty hot. Pretty sweet.
Almost reminds me of eating caramel popcorn.
Caramel popcorn? That's a good review. Oh, it does have a kick. It's like a hot wing.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Awesome. So, do you want to try the savory ones first or the sweet ones? Okay. You can use a spoon if you want.
Not bad.
A little spicy?
No.
You want to try the sweet ones? They're a little caramelized. If you want, just pick it apart with your fingers.
Not bad.
Your dad said it was kind of like caramel popcorn. What do you think? No. Which one do you like better? Savory ones? Yeah, I do too. So we learned 3 lessons this Halloween. 1, if you're going to roast sweet pumpkin seeds, put the sugar on after you've roasted them, or they will caramelize on you. Second thing, my son is not a fan of pumpkin seeds, but that's okay, because lesson number 3, I have learned that I really like pumpkin seeds, especially these savory ones I did. They're pretty good. You all have a wonderful Halloween night. Goodbye.